I wanted to address something that happens often in the classroom, especially around maybe third, fourth, fifth, middle school age. We hear a lot of, kids who fight back when we give them a last redirection, if you will. Have you ever done this where you say something like, stop immediately? That means you're done. Like, I'm done. I've reminded you too many times. It is time to stop. And the child comes back to you with something like, I didn't do anything. But then they stop. It is absolutely maddening. Here's what you can do with that. What we know is that when a comment comes back that doesn't acknowledge that they did something wrong and they are doing what you've asked them to do, that's the time when we just stop. Just turn around. Just write something on the board. Go say hi to somebody else. Anything you can. Because what they're doing is taking back their piece of the control. And as we know, with that age group, they want that last word. So when you say stop immediately, they are not going to say, I am so sorry. I realize I really pushed it over the limit. I should have stopped several times when you reminded me. You're not going to get that. So when you hear, I didn't do anything, you're probably okay.